Hey my gorgeous nail enthusiasts, today I will be working with Kiara Sky's jelly tips. In last week's videos I did an unboxing and today I will be actually doing application. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. So as you should always, I start with prep by pushing back my cuticles and filing my nails some to create a layer where the product will stick down to the nail. So I read over the pamphlet with the instructions on how to prep and how to do the nails to attach the jelly tips. What happened was that my prep wasn't the problem. So here I start to file my nails. After I finish that, I start by doing the next steps. The first step that they provide is step 1, which is prep. I believe this is the nail dehydrator. After I do that to each of my nails, I continue on with step 2, which is primer. And this is to help the enhancement stick to your nail once you apply the builder gel. Once I'm finished adding the primer and prep to my nails, I begin to etch the inside of each of the jelly tips. This is so that the builder gel will stick to the enhancements as well. So what I didn't realize that I was doing wrong was when I started to apply and put on the builder gel on my nails. So I did have the pamphlet open to make sure that I was doing each step correctly. And so far I had been. And this is when I cured my nail in the lamp. Because KiaraSky makes very good products. And I wanted to try it out for myself, so that's the reason why I bought it. And after curing for 30 seconds, I then applied the builder gel to the nail tip. This is actually where I went wrong. And this is how I went from a full set of nails to this, yeah, you understand. After I realized what I did wrong, I did go back and redo the set of nails, but I'll go through that later on in the video. So this is what it was after I finished putting them on, buffing it, and then I added the polish that was provided with me in the kit. I didn't know really what kind of design I wanted to do, so I kind of just winged it at first. And I didn't really like the design, so I did go through and redo the design when I had to redo the nails with something else. That'll be the new end result. Again, I was still trying to figure out what kind of design I would like to do, and this blue glitter was just so pretty that I was like, okay, let me see how I can put this together. But it didn't really turn out the way I liked or the way I had imagined it to be. So again, this was another good excuse to take off this really ugly designer set. So this was after one day of wearing it, and I had washed dishes, I had done other stuff with it on, and that had caused the builder gel to begin lifting. And what I hadn't realized was that it was because of little air bubbles within the builder gel when I cured it. So I had to go back and take off the nail sets by filing it off, and then I clip it down so it's easier to take off. After filing, I clip them down, and then I use some acetone to soak whatever is left off. Here you can see how bad it was lifting on my thumb. This is just from water damage and improper placement. So after redoing and reapplying all the initial steps, I realized that the paint by itself was probably not the best idea. And so what I did was I grabbed two of my other gels and I created a design with it. I grabbed a blue and a green and I added it. And this is how it went. After redoing my nails and rethinking design, this is the end result, and this is how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for taking the time out of your day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks so much. Bye.